What is going on YouTube? Brandon Michael here again. I'm back here with another video. I just want to show you guys how to remove those pesky video ads on apps like games and other type of apps that you use on a daily basis. This thing is pretty handy because when you use it, it's just some things you have to switch on. If you go to your settings and then you go to your basically your cellular data, and then you kind of choose it for the app that you don't want to use. I had mine switched off for Assassin, which is a game you can play offline. So basically what this does is that it doesn't access any internet. It does not work for games that require internet. So for those, you might want to have to just have them kept on because it does require the internet in order for you to play it. So there's an example. Another thing also is you want to go ahead and switch off the Wi-Fi because it can still pick up the internet access from that. So make sure both connections are off. Go to the app. Press OK. So I'm going to show you guys an example. This game here. So I'm just going to go ahead and die on purpose. Perfect. Alright, you don't see the difference, right? Typically before that was the screen was still on, and when it goes black it asks you to watch an ad in order to continue. So I'm going to go ahead and just reboot the app. Show you guys from my perspective. Go back to the settings. Click on cellular. Assassin. Okay, reboot the game. Okay, press start. So I'm gonna show you guys again. Okay, I'm gonna die. I killed him. I'm dead. Continue. There you go. Gotta rewatch the ad. And unfortunately it was Chloe on here. But yeah, basically that's how it works, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any comments you can leave below. If you have any other questions, let me know. I hope this helps. It's a little hack that I found out for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.